We are from Maharaja Agarsen Public School, Ashok Vihar, Delhi. We started our journey 40 years ago under the unflinching stewardship of late Sri R.K. Sangal as president and Sri O.P. Gupta as school manager on 10th of April 1978. The school has set an example by going green and installing solar plant and water harvesting system. It is the first school in North Delhi to start international education system registered with Cambridge International School. To represent India at International Science and Engineering Fair USA since 2011 with excellent school band to start music academy affiliated to Prayag Sangeet Samiti Prayagraj. Our principal, Mrs. Poonam Gupta, has a vision to nurture and train the Agasenians to grow into globally sensitive individuals, laced with Indian values, firmly rooted to Indian culture, equipped with knowledge and skills.
Astha,
Utkarsh.
Yashika, Gunjan Kanwar.
Sujal Tayal.
Now our students will share their experience about Green Project.
Through Gruen, I got to learn about Oslo, the capital of Norway, famous for its green spaces and museums. Their efforts to reduce carbon footprint were recognized and rewarded by European Commission, and Oslo was named the European Green Capital for 2019.
I have always been a great admirer for nature and loved how beautiful it is. And through this project Gruen, all the research work inspired me even more and I ended up setting my own kitchen garden. This project really motivated me to take such small initiatives towards sustainability that would help us create a greener and a better future for incredible Earth.
Through the project Ruin, I really have got to know a lot about architecture and infrastructure. One thing that has to be certain is that we have to incorporate nature into our cities, otherwise we would surely be punished. So the coming cities of future that would be green and sustainable, there would be community parks around every society. Each and every home would be directed to have its own mini garden, and also those areas where electricity is produced through nuclear plants and thermal power plants, protective shielding would be done so that in case of nuclear radiation leak, not many people are affected, as that was in the case of Chernobyl.
As water is precious for all, through this green project, I got to learn so many different and innovative ideas about rainwater harvesting and how it plays an important role to build sustainable future for ourselves. Also, I was able to learn different ways to save and conserve water and learned about how it plays a crucial role towards a greener and sustainable future.
Gruen gave me an opportunity to learn and discover what we lack in. I had an excellent communication with people from different parts of our country. Greenery matters. What if there is no plant in the world? No plant means no human. No humans means no world. Gruen enhances our creativity of thinking differently and gathering opinions. If you lose relationship with nature, you lose relationship with humanity.
It was a pleasure to be part of the UN project. We worked in teams and induced leadership quality. Apart from this, we did planning, leading, guiding, and management of various tasks in the project. Also, all the research work helped us explore and learn more. We will be delighted if we have more such opportunities like this in the future.
Wie war die Erfahrung?
Erstaunlich.
Ausgescheißert.
Super.
Wunderbar.
Sehr gut.
Genial. Studiere die Natur. Liebe die Natur. Bleibe nah an der Natur. Es wird dich niemals im Stich lassen. That means that study and love the nature because you delight in it. And you delight in it because how beautiful it is.
Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience.